Hi, welcome back. This is another video in the infrastructure as a service for Azure-70-533. In this video, we will cover the topic for stream analytics job for Azure Storage to process large files. As I told you, you can use your Azure Storage to keep any kind of file. It can be a large size, it can be a low size, and it will be difficult for some of the APIs to access the large amount of files. I'll explain you in detail. Let me just quickly set up the portal. Okay, we are at the portal now. So as I told you, when we upload a file in the Azure storage account, there can be files which are in less size, there can be files which are in big size. Let's say we uploaded a few MBs of file in the previous videos and the file is 2 MB 16 KB. Let's say reading this size of file would not take much time for any APIs and it will not wait for the whole file to get downloaded. Let's say there are a few analytics jobs, streaming APIs, which would wait until and unless 40 gigs size of file would get downloaded. So there are some stream analytics jobs you can configure through the APIs to do the live streaming on any foreign kind of data so that it does not have to wait for the whole file to get downloaded. So stream analytics job can be set up in the Azure portal as well. If you see, just go to the top and type in stream analytics. There is no job configured as of now. You can click on add. With any name, select the subscription. We'll use existing, which is G. Location would be Central India. Hosting environment, we have our file is on the cloud. So determine the hosting environment where the job will be deployed. Select cloud for deploying the job to the Azure cloud. Select edge to deploy the job to an on-premise or the Internet of Things gateway edge devices. So our resource is on the cloud. We have uploaded our files on the cloud. Streaming units, you can select streaming units are used as a pool of computation resources available to process the query. Let's say this 40 gigs of worth of a file, then you may require more than one unit to do the live streaming of that resource. So you select it. We'll wait for the job to be configured, and then you can go on to your storage. Okay. Might be an error. So that is how you create the stream analytics job, and it is mainly used to do the live streaming of any of the large files so that it can process all the queries that are coming in and would not wait for whole data to get downloaded or the whole file to get downloaded. So I hope this was informative to you. I will cover a few more topics related to storage accounts in the next videos. Till then, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to mention your feedbacks in the comment section, either on LinkedIn or on the YouTube videos, and please don't forget to share all the videos with your colleagues, friends, relatives, and make this channel more famous and get us more subscribers. It will motivate me to make more videos for the new topics that are coming in. Thank you. You have a great day ahead.